Looking for the best vegetable chopper but not sure which one actually saves time in the kitchen? Welcome back to US Buyer Picks. Today I'm reviewing 5 of the best vegetable choppers you can buy right now. We'll compare chopping performance, ease of use, cleaning, and overall value so you can spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your meals. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Mueller Home Pro Series 10-in-1, 8-blade stainless steel multi-vegetable chopper and mandolin slicer, kitchen tools and gadgets, food and veggie chopper, mincer, dicer, French fry cutter, black. The Mueller Home Pro Series 10-in-1 is one of those kitchen gadgets that has built a strong following among American home cooks because it solves a very real problem: food prep takes time. Whether you're making weeknight dinners, meal prepping for the week, or putting together a large family meal, chopping vegetables can easily become the most tedious part of cooking. What this chopper is best known for in the US market is versatility. Instead of being a simple onion chopper, it's designed to handle multiple prep tasks including dicing, slicing, mincing, julienning, and even French fry cutting. For many American households trying to cook more meals at home, that versatility is a major selling point. In real-world use, this tool shines during meal prep sessions. If you're preparing vegetables for tacos, salads, stir-fries, soups, casseroles, or meal prep containers for the workweek, it can dramatically reduce the amount of knife work required. One of the biggest strengths is the blade variety. Different recipes require different cuts, and having multiple blade options allows you to create uniform pieces quickly. Uniform cuts don't just look better, they also help food cook more evenly. Another advantage is consistency. Many home cooks struggle to achieve restaurant-style uniform cuts with a kitchen knife. This tool helps create evenly diced onions, peppers, cucumbers, potatoes, and other vegetables with far less effort. Number 2. Supmakin 8-in-1 Upgraded Safe Mandolin Slicer Multi-Vegetable Chopper, Potato Slicer, Onion Chopper with Drain Basket Storage Container, Cheese Grater Kitchen Chopping Artifact. The Supmakin 8-in-1 vegetable chopper is aimed at a growing group of American consumers who want faster meal prep but also prioritize safety. Traditional mandolin slicers are known for speed, but they're also known for causing kitchen injuries when used carelessly. This model attempts to make slicing and chopping more approachable for everyday home cooks. What this product is best known for in the US market is combining multiple food prep functions with a safety-focused design. For people who have always been hesitant to use traditional mandolins, that can be a significant advantage. In real-world American kitchens, this tool works well for salad preparation, potato slicing, onion chopping, vegetable trays, meal prep, homemade fries, cucumber slicing, quick dinner preparation. One of the biggest strengths is convenience. Many Americans are trying to eat healthier but don't always have the time to spend 30 minutes chopping vegetables after work. Tools like this can make healthy cooking feel more manageable. The included drain basket and storage container add functionality beyond simple chopping. Instead of transferring vegetables between multiple bowls, ingredients can be processed and stored more efficiently. Another advantage is the focus on safety. Many buyers, especially beginners, feel more comfortable using enclosed slicing systems compared to exposed blade mandolins. If you're newer to cooking, concerned about safety, or simply want a straightforward way to speed up food prep after work, the Supmakin may feel easier to live with day to day. Number 3. G-Del Food Chopper, Easy to Clean Manual Hand Vegetable Chopper Dicer, Dishwasher Safe Slap Onion Chopper for Veggies, Onions, Garlic, Nuts, Salads, White. The G-Del Food Chopper takes a very different approach compared to most vegetable choppers on the market. Instead of relying on multiple blades, containers, and complicated attachments, this is a simple manual chopper designed to handle basic food prep tasks quickly and efficiently. What this chopper is best known for in the US market is simplicity and ease of use. Many American households don't need a large food prep system. They simply want a faster way to chop onions, garlic, nuts, herbs, and vegetables without pulling out a cutting board and knife every time. In real-world US kitchens, this chopper is commonly used for chopping onions for tacos, dicing garlic for pasta dishes, preparing salad toppings, chopping nuts for baking, quick meal prep, small kitchen tasks. Apartment cooking. One of the biggest strengths is convenience. The compact size makes it easy to grab, use, clean, and store. Unlike larger vegetable choppers that may require assembling multiple parts, this tool is straightforward. That simplicity often means people actually use it more often. Another major advantage is cleaning. Many multifunction choppers save time during food prep but create extra work afterward. The Geetl's simpler design helps reduce cleanup time. For Americans living in apartments, dorms, RVs, or homes with limited kitchen storage, the compact footprint is particularly appealing. The Geetle food chopper is a simple, compact kitchen tool that excels at small chopping jobs. Buy it if you value convenience and easy cleanup more than maximum versatility. Number 4. Ruck 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper, 6-blade veggie chopper with container, food dicer, onion cutter, cheese grater, mandolin slicer, kitchen gadgets and home essentials. The Ruck 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is designed for American home cooks who want a single kitchen gadget capable of handling a wide variety of food prep tasks. What this product is best known for in the US market is combining multiple cutting functions into one organized system. Instead of purchasing separate slicers, dicers, graters, and cutters, buyers get multiple prep options in one package. In real-world US kitchens, this chopper is ideal for weekly meal prep, family dinners, salad preparation, taco nights, vegetable trays, stir-fry ingredients, homemade fries, holiday cooking. One of the biggest strengths is versatility. The multiple blade configurations allow users to create different cuts depending on the recipe. The included container helps keep countertops cleaner during prep sessions, which can be a major benefit when working with large amounts of produce. Another advantage is consistency. Uniform cuts help vegetables cook evenly and create a more professional appearance. For busy American families trying to prepare healthier meals at home, the ability to speed up vegetable preparation can make home cooking more practical. The Ruck 10-in-1 is a versatile food prep system designed for people who regularly cook with fresh ingredients and want multiple cutting options. Number 5. Full-Star Premium Vegetable Chopper and Mandolin Slicer, Food Chopper and Spiralizer with Container, Julienne Slicer, Fruit Slicer, Veggie Cutter, Kitchen Gadgets and Gift for Mom, 14-in-1, Steel. The Full-Star Premium Vegetable Chopper is one of the most popular vegetable choppers among American shoppers because it combines a huge number of food prep functions into one highly versatile kitchen tool. What this product is best known for in the US market is maximum versatility. The 14-in-1 design appeals to buyers who want a complete food prep station capable of handling nearly every common vegetable cutting task. In real-world American kitchens, this gadget is commonly used for meal prep, salad making, onion chopping, vegetable dicing, spiralizing vegetables, slicing fruits, preparing stir-fries, weekly food prep routines. One of the biggest strengths is flexibility. Whether you're preparing zucchini noodles, diced onions, sliced cucumbers, shredded vegetables, or chopped peppers, the Full-Star offers specialized attachments for different jobs. The included container is also practical for keeping ingredients organized during preparation. Another advantage is speed. When preparing multiple vegetables at once, the Full-Star can significantly reduce prep time compared to traditional knife work. For families trying to cook healthier meals at home, that convenience can encourage more frequent use of fresh produce. That's my breakdown of the top vegetable choppers available right now. Some are perfect for quick everyday meal prep, while others offer more versatility and capacity for bigger jobs. If this helped you out, check the links in the description for the latest prices, and don't forget to subscribe to US Buyer Picks for more honest, no-nonsense reviews. Thanks for watching.